Hi everyone. Welcome back to Jasmine Has No Clear Aesthetic, so she just tries them all in hopes of finding her true identity, even though she never will. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be attempting to recreate some of these viral Pinterest hairstyles on my once long but now short and unflattering hair. And on top of that, we're gonna reinvent some of them so I can take back the crown. Thank you. Okay, the first hairstyle we have here is this braided ponytail. Now, I actually rocked this back in 2011, but no one seemed to give a shit. I've always known braids were hot as fuck. Y'all are way behind, but it's fine. I love creating trends that nobody thinks are cute until a couple years later and getting none of the credit. I'm fine. Just gonna really gather up those grown out bangs that haunt my everyday. Pretend they don't exist. Pretend I have no problems. Ariana Grande. Why does my hair look like a chewed up dog toy? Like that one toy that your dog just like obliterates. Really perfect for like a night out, especially like with your man. Yeah, it's a house favorite. Fun. Hey, what if we did like a half up, half down moment? Could be fun. I have a plan. Like I have claws for bangs. So now I'm gonna braid the ponytails. Oh boy. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, how do we feel? Okay, I like how this is like an ode to the braided pigtails I've also been seeing, but it's different. But it's like kind of the same. Similar to when you have to paraphrase a quote in your essay, but you just restructure the sentencing of the quote instead. High school was fun. It's like I look like a really cute alien, but I also look like that girl from the Polar Express. Okay, so our second hairstyle, we have this like flippy Barbie, Ariana Grande, half up, half down situation. To me, it looks like Barbie gone baddie. And I don't know if any of us want to meet Barbie the baddie. Maybe she's already a baddie. Wait, is Barbie a baddie? Would you consider Barbie a baddie? Or is she like her own aesthetic? Oh my god, this is way too stressful. Section off a chunk? What do I do? Just like bobby pin it? I don't know. I feel like I'm wearing a helmet, and not one that's gonna protect me. You know, if I was riding my bike and something went south, I would not be protected. I would have a concussion and possibly brain damage. Well, I guess when you have a concussion, you get brain damage. Okay, anyways. Okay, I think we need a different approach with this one. Okay, so what if we kept the bangs hidden from the world and lowered the ponytail? Lowered the ponytail. Okay. Section off my chunk, like so. Okay. Glue those babies to my head. And then I'm gonna take the little extra bits and tie them behind my head. But they stay nice and slicked and like they stay there. I also love this just like little tiny ponytail. Okay, so then we'll take the rest of my hair. First of all, like, this is fun on its own. I think we know that, especially if you watched my last video, which if you haven't, go take a watch. Give it a tease. Give her some oomph. Looking forward to brushing that out. Oh. Alright, okay, so then I'm gonna make sure that's all going straight back. And we're going to add in our little ponytail. Okay, so now this just looks like a really good low ponytail. But I think if we take some pieces here, give it a bump, we could have a fun, like, retro moment, right? Or am I gonna look like Megamind? I kind of look like Megamind. Like, from this angle, ooh. Oh, good. It's the twist on a ponytail you didn't know you needed. What is it? I feel like, don't take this the wrong way, but like a retro housewife. But I'm very here for it. She's a housewife, but she's also a part-time engineer. She also works at NASA, and she also is ending climate change. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This is very fun. She's giving me 70s. She's giving me girl boss. I would definitely wear this whenever I was in the mood to completely obliterate the patriarchy. When I want to go play soccer with the boys. Okay, wait, I keep pulling the ponytail up and it just keeps getting better and better. The higher the pony, the funner the moment. I just used funner as a 19-year-old woman. Oh, yeah, Okay. All right, well, I think I've had enough of this because I'm getting a migraine. Okay, so up next we have another hairstyle that I absolutely crushed as a child, but no one seemed to acknowledge. Where is my compensation for being an icon? So we can either leave the bangs out and do the braids kind of back here, or we could take it up a hot step, okay, and French braid them. Whoa. I saw this picture of Britney Spears on Pinterest and I was like, that's it. That's the one. Okay, so once again, sectioning off a chunk. What if we French braided one and Dutch braided the other? Is that too much? I think that's too much. Okay, Jasmine, one step at a time here, hon. I love French braiding my baby hairs. It's my favorite pastime. I love just braiding and reflecting on how broken and damaged my hair is from all the stress and anxiety and depression. What a beautiful reminder of what I've been through. It's like trying to braid dust. It doesn't work. There's nothing to grab onto. You can't, it doesn't work. All right, final reveal. Ooh, it's so cute. Wow, all right. I have absolutely no explanation for what I'm about to say or how it came into my mind, but the Squirrels in My Pants song from Phineas and Ferb, S to the I to the M to the P, spells out simp. Is that where that came from? I'm clueless. Wow, so cute. It's like wearing a headband without the headache. Honestly, if you can wear a headband for more than like 75 minutes, girl, you got a rare genetic mutation. Whatever that DNA super sequence you have, I do not have that. Ooh, what if we like put our hair in a ponytail behind and we just had them like, you know? I would definitely wear this for like a competitive swimming meet, no swim cap, or actually no, I lied. I would put my swim cap on over this and leave the braids hanging out. I feel like that would be really optimal for aerodynamicy in the water. Okay, so the last hairstyle I'm going to attempt to recreate is this bubble ponytail moment. Okay. Now, I think we can all imagine how that would go with my hair. There's not, and it wouldn't work. But I think I have a fun way to spice this up. I have seen this technique used as like a fun way to spice up two braids. Let's get cooking. Oh, ow. Okay, really looking forward to just ripping out every single strand of my hair with these little hair ties created by Satan himself. These things break, ruin, rip my hair so bad, but for some reason, I literally have so many of them. I have a whole drawer of them in my bathroom. I don't know where they're coming from. I find them in purses. I find them on the floor. Like, they haunt me. God, I hope I'm not the only one living in this nightmare. Jesus Christ. I've actually never done this one before, despite the like 17 Cute Girls Hairstyles tutorials I watched on it when I was like 7. Never really gave this one a go. I'm just going all the way back. Wait, that's gonna be cute. Cute. Okay, so now I have 2 ponytails, and then on each of the little like in between parts, you go and you like yank it. Look how cute it is. See that? I have little bubbles on my head. Look. Oh. I look like I have Easter eggs on my head. They're like Easter eggs, but without the stale chocolate inside. Wait, could I put something in them? Can I like hide stuff in there? I can hide a clip in there. What else could I hide in here? Ah, what about a reusable straw? Handy for on the go. Unfortunately, I am here to report that you cannot fit a reusable straw inside of your bubble braids. And if you had like the world's smallest tampon, you could squeeze it in there. You could stuff like little bits of granola. Now we're on to something. What about my mini bottle of peppermint essential oil? Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to report that you can, in fact, hide your small bottle of peppermint essential oil in your bubble braid. Thank you and good night, Los Angeles. Okay, so would I wear any of these hairstyles again? Absolutely. Basically all of them, except for our, that one. Definitely never doing that one again. They were all very easy, especially like this one. All you do is tie your hair into little ponytails. That's it. Anyways, let me know if you end up recreating any of these or if you had a favorite. Question of the day. Question of the day. What was your signature hairstyle as a kid? For me, French braid down the back. Could have trademarked that shit. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe for more videos of Jasmine doing stupid, random shit. And I love you, and don't forget to go drink water. Go drink water right now. I'll wait. I'm waiting. Drink your water. Okay, swallow. You gotta swallow. I can still see it in your mouth. You need to swallow it. Okay, and I love you guys. I love you. I love you so much. Okay, I think we're done. I need a snack. Okay, bye.